Hi, John Capobianco here from Silicon Valley. That's right, I'm in my hotel room working on AI agents in my downtime. So, yesterday I was at my first tech field day, cloud field day, and we're going to now continue moving on our agentic AI journey. So, when we last left off on the live stream, we had shut a sub interface at the router. AI detected it, resolved it, and even tried to document it in ServiceNow. We're going to try another problem, a very common problem, a meme problem. Graphic warning, switchport trunk allowed VLAN 20. And all the network engineers reel. This command has probably cost billions of dollars, hundreds of thousands of hours of human time in the last 30 years, and I'll show you why. So, we have this running ping going between PC1 and PC2 on VLAN 10 and VLAN 20 up to the switch on access ports, with a trunk link up to the router that has the two sub interfaces for the default gateway. We're going to say switchport trunk allowed VLAN 20. Oops, I've just killed it. The ping is dead. So I have no problems in ServiceNow. I have everything in my NetBox for a source of truth. And we're going to have this prompt say, please configure or verify connectivity between PC1, 10.10.10.100 and PC2, 10.10.30.100. You must immediately open a ServiceNow problem before proceeding if any issues are identified for compliance purposes. So some guardrails here. Assume NetBox is correct and has the valid configuration information for each device. Use this NetBox data to determine the connected devices and to guide your troubleshooting and problem resolution. Don't just make up stuff, use the source of truth to help guide you. Troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Prove you resolve the problem. Give me evidence. If you resolve the problem, update the ServiceNow problem with the resolution details. Finally, email a report to John Capobianco. Extremely ambitious, but we're going to give this a go. So what's going to happen first is the NetBox agent is actually scraping information about these IP addresses. So it's going to go to NetBox first, the NetBox agent, and get details about these devices and stuff. It's then probably going to jump on PC1 via the PC1 agent and run a ping. So it's grabbed a bunch of data from the devices and the switches and the ports and everything. So it has that data. The next thing it's going to do is try a ping. Now I want to be very clear. I did not hard code this. This is the result of the reasoning and the command as a tool input. My tool is an arbitrary Linux command tool. So the agent can run things like ping, which has failed. I hope now it opens a ServiceNow ticket. I hope right now it opens a ServiceNow ticket problem explaining the situation. So there is our ServiceNow problem, and we're going to look at that very quickly to show you how awesome this is. Connectivity issues, devices are on different VLANs, initial ping result failed. It has all this great stuff here. So let's keep an eye on that ticket in the background. So it actually is checked. This is really cool. It actually checked the trunk configuration here. Is it going to fix the problem? Yes, look at switchport trunk allowed VLAN 1020. I bet you if I go to the running ping here, the ping is restored. So it's restored the ping. Let's see what it does next. Holy cow. Holy cow. Ha! From the Silicon Valley, there's the working ping. There's the evidence of the fix. We're going to disconnect from PC1 and then hopefully update and close the ServiceNow problem ticket. And then send me an email. Okay, look at in progress. Move from in progress for resolution. There's the code and the solved permanently. And now it should be showing me an email. All right, so let's go back and look at our problem ticket. So if I refresh this, it should be gone. And it's gone. So if I go into my closed tickets, there is the closed ticket. And let's take a look at closed. And if I go into more record history, we're going to see the resolution statement. Here's the close notes. Resolution statement. Connectivity between PC1 and PC2 is caused by misconfiguration on the inner VLAN routing on switch 1. Switch lacked the necessary routing configuration to allow communication. Verified all the resolution steps. Enabled inter-VLAN routing by configuring the switch with the appropriate VLAN interfaces. Conducted a successful ping test. Issue has been resolved, restoring full connectivity between the devices. Now, I'm not going to open up my email, but let's take a look at the email that it sent me. Right? So it gives me the ticket number that I can look up. Resolution details have been updated in the ticket. The resolution here was the trunk port, resulting in packet loss. So I have this email sitting in my Gmail now with this report. I can't tell you how long I've been working on this and how many failed videos and failed attempts I've had. For this to work right now is very exciting for me. So we've just solved the detected, documented, resolved from a source of truth with guardrails, sent an email, the switchport trunk allowed VLAN conundrum. Thank you so much for joining me from a hotel room in the Silicon Valley. And please like and share and subscribe. And please get to work on your agents.